Nursing remains a critical component of the healthcare industry in Los Angeles and is one of the fastest growing jobs in the regional economy. LA Trade Tech's registered nursing program is highly respected in the regional nursing industry due to its rigorous curriculum, experienced faculty, state-of-the-art facilities, and the diversity of its faculty and students. Nursing courses include medical surgical nursing, maternal child health nursing, pediatric nursing, psychiatric nursing, and nursing management and leadership. The curriculum incorporates evidence-based practice and current healthcare technology. LA Trade Tech's nursing classrooms are equipped with the state-of-the-art simulation labs and make use of realistic patient care scenarios in which evidence-based practices are emphasized. The program partners with our clinical affiliating agencies, including local hospitals, clinics, and other care facilities, to promote student learning by caring for patients in actual healthcare settings. The registered nursing program is approved by the California Board of Registered Nursing, and upon completion of the program, graduates are then eligible to take the National Council Licensure Examination for Registered Nurses, also known as the NCLEX. Many of our students are in collaborative programs and have the advantage of being able to complete their BSN, which is a Bachelor of Science in Nursing, in as little as a year once they have completed our program. Many of our graduates also continue their education at a four-year college or university to earn advanced degrees in nursing and other related fields. Turn your hard work, compassion for others to a vibrant career in nursing at LA Trade Tech.